Most people don't fail because they talk too little. They fail because they share too much. Today's lesson: sometimes silence is strength. In a quiet village between green hills and a slow river lived a young woodcutter named Samuel. Woodcutter means a person who cuts wood for work. Samuel was known for three things: hard work, discipline, silence. Every morning before sunrise, Samuel picked up his axe and walked into the forest. He returned only when the sky turned orange. He never complained, he never explained. He simply worked. One evening, after a long and tiring day, Samuel sat outside his small wooden hut. Tired means feeling no energy. His hands were blistered, his shoulders felt heavy, and for the first time in years, a quiet thought entered his mind. Maybe I should rest a little. Maybe I don't need to push myself every day. This was not a plan. It was just a thought. That night, his neighbor Daniel walked past. "You look tired," Daniel said. "Long day?" Samuel paused. Pause means to stop for a moment. "Yes," Samuel replied. "Sometimes I wonder how long I can continue like this." Daniel leaned closer. "What do you mean?" Samuel sighed. "Nothing serious, just thinking about slowing down one day." Daniel nodded, but Daniel didn't hear tiredness. He heard a story. The next morning, Daniel spoke to another villager. "Samuel is unhappy," he said. Unhappy means not satisfied. By afternoon, the words changed. He wants to leave. By evening, the truth was lost. He dislikes the elders. He plans to abandon the village. Abandon means to leave forever. That night, the village elders met. "A man who wants to leave cannot be trusted," one elder said. Fear replaced facts. The next morning, Samuel was called. "You plan to leave this village?" they said. Samuel was shocked. "That is not true," he replied calmly. "I was only tired. I shared one thought." But when words travel, they change. The decision was final. "You are no longer needed here." Samuel said nothing. Within days, he lost his work. Within weeks, he lost his place in the village. At that moment, Samuel learned a painful lesson. He was not hurt by enemies. He was hurt by shared words. Years later, in a different town, Samuel started again. This time, he worked hard, but spoke less. He shared plans only after results. He listened more than he talked. And something changed. People respected him more. Silence made him strong. One evening, a young boy named Lucas asked, "Sir, how did you become so wise?" Samuel smiled. "I learned by losing," he said. Not every thought needs a listener. Not every plan needs an audience. He paused and added, "Some people don't want to help you grow. They want to feel important by carrying your story." Let's repeat today's lesson together. Don't share everything. Silence is not weakness. Silence is wisdom. Some thoughts need time. Some plans need privacy. And some journeys are safer when walked quietly. If this story helped you think and helped you learn simple English, like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English stories with deep meaning. Because learning English is easier when stories teach you life.